And we are going to number 4. Least, but definitely not last, we have Instagram. This platform, visual, appears, make it fantastic tool to drive your traffic to your affiliate offers. Leverage Instagram's features like stories and posts to share your value content. Use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and connect with your target audience. So, hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag make money online, hashtag affiliate marketing for beginners, hashtag like me. So that's a hashtag you can use. There are 3 hashtags possible with every movie. So I say use them. And don't forget the power to interaction. Engage with your followers by responding on comments and direct messages. It's all about building relationships. Oh, and of course, you wouldn't want you to miss out on any future content. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's how I do it. In all my movies I make and all the stories I make is I say hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything from me and you don't miss any content that's value for you. So that's very important to say to your audience. If you want to follow me on Instagram, click on the link below in this video. I'm going to show you something on my Instagram. I have pictures and I have reels. Those are free to make and those are free to post. But you have to think one thing. If people are following you for your business, keep your personal shit out. Don't put a picture of your washing machine in there because that's not what people want. If people watch on your Instagram, they want to see your business. They want to see who you are in your business. So keep it business related. That's one of my great tips. Remember, the key to success is providing value, building relationships, and consistency engaging with your audience. So put this strategy into action and watch the flood of target visitors transform to your affiliate offers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Jessica Konijn, and watching this movie. See you next time.